Yep. So here's what I'm starting off with. Getting over a cold here. Again, surface rust. Probably some pitting up in there. The area that I took the old support off when I redid the B pillar. A whole bunch of dust and grime and dirt that'll get me all discussified. But hey, that's okay. Again, this probably won't take me more than an hour. I'll see if I can get the other wheel arch and so forth done. That'll take me over here much longer, probably into tomorrow as well. I really just wanted to start this off with this. This is how it looks now that the stuff is really set in. Again, all these black areas are rust and pits, especially you can tell up in here and up in here, up in there. All that is converted rust. No longer rust. I don't know what it's called now, but it's no longer rusty, and it'll never rust because this has got a nice zinc coating to it. And you see that there's nothing on the tips of my fingers. There's nothing wet. What I'll probably do before I get to a point where I reprime everything is wipe all this down with water a couple times, get rid of any excess. I've used this to good effect on a couple of other cars. I've had no issues with bonding or adhesion of the primer, so I've got no issue doing what I'm doing now. Again, that's what's next is this, and you'll see the after in a sec. All right, and I'm done. At least on this portion here. I've done a little bit more on the other, but I'm gonna pretty much make a a night of it. I'm still sucking down Theraflu and cough suppressant, so I'm gonna hit the shower, I think. I'm gonna try, I think, a little bit of acetone. Oh, god damn it, I missed a part in there too. Alright, so I'm gonna redo some of this. That's what I'm looking at. I'm gonna wash this down with acetone and see if I have any difference on some of these areas that are... Oh no, that's just rust coming off. Or dust, rather. Anyway. Yeah, maybe I will wipe it down with acetone and see what happens. I got all the major pits and things out. As you can see, I got some pitting. That again I'm going to fill. I've got some bubbles up in there, that's old rust. I'll fill that with, hold on, I'm going to do some etching fluid first. And I have yet to put on the supports, the B pillar here and here. I need to, really, before I do any body work. Yeah, I really do. I started this, said, fuck it, or gosh darn it, I'm going to do something else that's more interesting. I need to sandblast this out, and I started this area here, and I've got just the wheel well left. Probably 3/4 of it still left to go. Like I say, I need to go inside and do some housework and stuff, so that's really it for now.